Hi everyone, here we've got a GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to enable nightlight or a comfort mode. So first of all, let's enter the settings because we will firstly customize this mode and then I'll show you much faster access to this feature using a shortcut. So let's tap on the display. And here on the second position we've got the nightlight, so let's enter. Before we will change the intensity, because as you can see we've got the switcher for it, we have to turn it on, so just tap on turn on now, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is obviously in order to filter the blue light, and it will make it more comfortable and easier for you to read in a dim light and actually in a bad light conditions. So as I said, you can change the intensity of that feature just by going to the left with this switcher. You can make it much cooler, and to the right much warmer. It's almost orangish. What's more, you can set the schedule, so you can schedule it. Here we've got right now a none option, but we can turn it on at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So your device will turn it on automatically after sunset and turn it off after the sunrise, or we can, as I said, custom time. So here we can freely choose the start time and end time. So I will pick for example the start time, something like this, and the end time like this. And as you can see, the screen turned yellow automatically. It is because we are right between the start time and end time. But let me turn off this feature, let me leave it like this. And actually this is the whole customization of the nightlight or a comfort mode. So in order to have much faster access to this feature, all you have to do is unroll the top bar, just like here, and as you can see the nightlight icon immediately automatically appears on this option bar. Right now it is turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen turns back to its normal state, but you can turn it on again just by tapping on it. If you cannot find the nightlight, if for some reason it do not appear on this panel, no worries, just tap on this edit icon right here and you will be able to find this icon somewhere here. Then you will have to tap on it and hold it and drag it to this very first section. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the nightlight or a comfort mode in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.